Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Moon Animator and loading the animation project you'll edit. This ensures frame alignment with the asset. Next, find the model in Explorer. You want the exact mesh part or decal object used in the timeline. Once found, select it so properties populate in the Properties panel. This lets you change texture or image properties directly. Doing this now prevents mismatched frames later. Because you're editing the live object the animation references, you now replace the decal asset. Paste the new texture ID or image URL into the decal. Texture or image property. Once done, make sure to create or update a keyframe at the current timeline position so the animator captures the change. If the decal appears on multiple parts or frames, copy the property and paste it where needed. This preserves visual continuity. Also check interpolation. Set keyframe types to constant if you want an instant swap. You finish by previewing the animation in Moon Animator and watching the decal change at the intended frame. This confirms timing and alignment. If it's off, adjust the decal's size, offset, or the Part C frame and rekeyframe to lock the correction. If the new decal fails to appear, reassign the asset ID, clear any caching, and reinsert keyframes. This fixes stale references. Finally, export or save the project so your decal changes persist across sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.